I am all about meal prepping, and I'm super excited that I got my Fit, Strong, and Healthy compartment glass meal prep containers. It comes with 4 containers with 2 and 3 compartments. I love organizing my meals and making sure that I'm hitting my macronutrients, and I'm always trying to find products that makes my life easier. Sometimes I organize the whole week or the whole day. So here today I got my eggs from my protein, my fat with my cashews, and also my fiber with some grapes. It's super easy, just put it in the fridge. I can take anywhere with me and it's safe for microwave. Here is what I prepped for my lunch. It's a little tuna with some rice and vegetables. I absolutely love it. And for my dinner, I made some chicken with chickpeas and a salad, and I keep everything in my container. Makes my life so much easier. If you also want a meal prep, go check them out.